This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by ann.davis. South-facing windows on entire wall bringing the outdoors inside. Desirable open floor plan which includes 2 large master suites. Eat-in kitchen. Second floor. Only 10 units surrounded by single-family homes. Balcony adjoining 1-bedroom suite. Storage closet. Fireplace. Great parking. Tucked away in private location yet only blocks to beach. For more information, review the details below or contact ann.davis at 757-422-2200.